look for 3/4, because 3/4 gives us 0.75. When we add 3 inch to 0.75, it will give us 3/3/4 or 3.0 or 3.75. Welcome to Duke Signature. Today I'm going to teach you how to read this measuring tape. Okay, what each of these lines stands for. I'm going to tell you what they stands for, their name. Okay, and then how you can confidently and boldly come out and tell someone that yes, this is so this line is called this, is called this, when teaching you, while teaching your student to look professional. All right, without further ado, let's go straight to the measurements reading proper. All right, here as you can see, this part of it is denoted with this is 0, while here is 1, and here is 2, and here is 3. If you can see it properly, you see it, you notice that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 lines. All right, and then these 9 lines are represented in this board. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so if you count your tape, just take your tape and count from 0 to 1, will give you 9 lines. The 0 and 1 line are included, please. All right, now for the 1, this is for the 0. All right, this is the 0 line. Okay, this is called 0. All your reading starts from here. Or there are some tape whereby they have a metal part here, and you see it's extend a bit, and that's not the true definition of your measurement. In short, that gives an additional measurement to whatever you measure. The best thing is to neatly take out that steel out of it like this. Okay, just like this, and you see the line, this line here, and make sure your measurement always start from the line as shown. This line here, line as shown. All right, so this line is this line. All right, so from here to here, which is from here to here, from here to here is from here to here, it's what we call 1/8. 1/8. All right, this is called 1/8. This is called 1/8 of an inch. Okay, 1/8 of an inch. Okay, 1/8 of an inch. All right, 1/8 of an inch. Okay, an inch. Okay, which is 1/8 of, if we say, for example, if we are dealing on 1 inch, we say 1/8 of an inch will give you a particular number. But that's not, we are not in mathematics class. All right, I just want to tell that this 1/8. Okay, while the other one, which is the second one, okay, from here to here, is called 1/4, 1/4. It is denoted with 1/4, 1/4, all right, of an inch. And you often hear people say 1/4. This same 1/4, if you do your calculation, 1/4, if you do your calculation, it will give you 0.25. So when you hear someone, oh, please just add 0.25 to your measurement, this is what they're talking about. Okay, so it's either it is 1/4, just add 1/4. Please, 1/4 is count after this line. The next line is the 1/4. Say, please, this is the 1/4 of an inch. It refers to this. It refers to this, which is this. This is the 1/4 of an inch. Okay. Why this is 3/8? This is 3/8. Please, it is not 3/4. It is 3/8. Okay, of an inch. Why this, the one that is found in the middle part, is what we call half of an inch. Half of an inch. It is usually, we call half of an inch, another name for it is 0.5. You say, please add 0.5 of an inch to your measurement. It means half of an inch. So it's either you hear half of an inch or you hear 0.5. Okay, be it 0.5, be it half of an inch, they are the same thing. So don't be confused when you watch people on YouTube and you say, please add half of an inch or add 0.5 of an inch to your measurement. Please take note, half of an inch is same thing as 0.5 of an inch. They are the same thing. They can be used interchangeably. All right, the next one is the next line, which is 5/8. Okay, 5/8. So hardly we use 5/8, but we also have 5/8 as a measurement. Now the next one after the 5/8 is 3/4. 3/4, and 3/4 is 3/4. 3/4. Don't forget, a quarter is one quarter is 1/4. A quarter is 4. So 1/4 is 1/4, which is this. Okay, this is 1/4. Right, this is 3/4. 3/4. All right, 3/4 is also known as 0.75. So if you are told that measure 0.75, add 0.75 to your measurement, maybe while cutting sleeve, while cutting any of your fabric, okay, and you are told or you watch online that it is 0.75, please take note, the 0.75 is same thing as 3/4. So it can be used interchangeably, 3/4 or 0.75. Now the next one after 3/4 is 7/8. 7/8. Now 7/8, okay, is another measurement. After 7/8 we have 1. Okay, now it goes, if you want to call this is 1. If you want to call this one, we will now call it 1/1/4. 1/1/4. Then this is 1.5. This is half. So you have counted 1 inch, and this is half, which is 1.5 inches. 1.5 inches. Okay, we call this now, this 3/4. Normally it is 3/4, okay, which is this, but you've counted 1. So this 1/3. If you are told to measure 1/3, you measure it becomes 1/3. This is 1/3 here. This is 1/3. Okay, the standard measurement is this. We have 1/4, we have half of an inch, we have 3/4. Okay, this is the standard measurement, and all others are built you on this standard measurement, like 1/1/4. Please add 1/1/4, or measure 3/4 of an inch. 3/4 of an inch. If they say 3/4, all you just need to do, they tell you measure 3/3 of an inch. If they tell you to measure 3/3 of an inch, is 3, then 3/4. What it means is that 3/3 it's 1, 2, 3. This is 3, then this is quarter. So this is 3/3. Please do not forget 3/3. All right, let me place it for us to see. I said if we are told to measure 3/3, we measure 3 of an inch and then find 3/4. Add 3/4 to it, becomes 3/3. All right. So that is how to take your the measurement of your. That's how to read your measuring tape. Please do not forget. Now, if you are told to find 10/1/4, 10/1/4, this is 10, and this is 1/4. Look at it. This is 1/4. Yeah, squeezed is 1/4. So it becomes 10/1/4. If you can see it clearly, 10/1/4. All right. So please do not forget. It's same everywhere. This is 10.5. This is 10.5. This is 10.5. 10.5. Okay, 10.5. All right. So please, that is how we read our measuring tape. 10.5. We have 10/3. We have 11.5. This 11.5. 11.5. Here we have 11/3. We have 12/1/4. It's called 12/1/4. We have 12.5. We have 12/3. We have 13 inch. We have 13/1/4 inch. We have 13.5 inch. We have 13 3/4 of an inch. Please do not forget. Okay, also the decimal point also apply. We might say this is 0.5 inch, this 0.5 inch, which is this 0.5 inch. All right, while we might say this is 0.75, this is 0.75, this is 0.75. Okay, this is 0.75, which is this is 0.75. all right, now when we say 3.75, it means we cut 3 inch, cut 3 inch, and then we see we look for 3/4, because 3/4 gives us 0.75. When we add 3 inch to 0.75, it will give us 3 3/4, or 3.0, or 3.75. all right, if this video has been helpful to you, please do not forget to smash the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel, especially if you are new to our channel, and feel free to share this video and drop your comment at the comment section. I want to hear from you. Okay, do you understand, or you want me to do another video on how you can actually take measurement with this? Please drop your comment at the comment section. When you react to my video by smashing the like button and sharing it, it makes others, it makes YouTube to make this video to go viral, so that others can actually learn. It's totally free. All right, thank you. This is Duke Signature. See you in our next video.